Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mr. Decode. In this channel, we're gonna talk about architecture with a freehand design without any software that you can use it. We try to solve complementation then inappropriate in design. For example, when you wanna implement idea on your mind, so on the, for example, board and everything, you should be solve every noise of your plan. For example, in this video, we will talk about draw every volume. For example, technique draw volume. And for example, you can, with the simple technique, you can draw a lot of building in your design. If you carefully this part and step by step with me, so you can create an imaginary or fantastic building for example, and short time. Anyway, complete my design and including 2 points. For example, 1 point and 2 point, other side of the vanishing point. Every line that you draw should be moved forward to every point, the other side of the paper. In this part, you can use it as final and useful thing, or everything of every parameter for your analysis side, and everything you should be consider is that in your design. The fact of the matter is that everything that you surround your site should be considered of the architect. For this matter, and rule of the architect is very important or vital for analysis and final design. You should be, and the first step is consider them that I will say you about this every parameter in this design. Anyway, don't be tired, my friend. Well done. Thank you very much for watching this video. You should be take care and drawing and watch my previous video because help you in the other side of your craft. However, I hope you this video for useful for your craft and upward and increase your ability for creating everything that in your mind. In this next video, I will gonna talk about other technique, other volume that you can use it for your design. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press please like or subscribe my channel because this act give us a motivate and energy for continue. In this next part, I will gonna talking about the other technique in this architecture. Thank you very much.